Okay, everybody, I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet. Go over to the Waffle once you've signed into your G Suite of applications, your Google Workspace account. Click the Waffle, scroll down to Meet, open up Meet, join or start a meeting, enter the meeting name. I'm going to call this Algebra. You're creating a room now for all of your algebra students. This can be done for any class. Cool thing about this, there you go, you can see me. Once you hit join now, it'll give you a joining information, the URL, PIN number. Students can dial in or go right from their iPad. Click copy joining info, and then you can send that out through Canvas. Okay. Once you send that out through Canvas, you have a couple of different options down here. So this present now button, once I click that, I am able to present my entire screen. I am going to hit share. Sharing the entire screen, I'm going to go to our faculty meeting. And from the faculty meeting, you can see I've updated this live digital interaction times. I think this will help provide you and your students with some guidance in terms of if we were to have a long-term closure. I updated the times to allow time for world language teachers and electives and special area teachers. So again, this notation, it's not a daily schedule. So you need to divide it up amongst your classes. So for instance, using math again as an example, if you are an algebra teacher, but you also teach pre-calc, you probably want to tell your students, you will want to tell your students what days algebra is going to meet and what days pre-calc is going to meet. Also, other work should be provided through Canvas. Again, there's a reminder on here, we should have kids exercising regularly, and the counselors are going to put together something that will help social emotionally with their well-being during, if there is an extended time we are out. Okay, I'm going to click stop sharing. When I stop sharing the screen, I can click right back into the Google Meeting. Boy, that is a lot of me. I'm not going to do that. Again, you can also turn on captions, and it'll give you subtitles. So I can also turn off my camera, turn back on the camera. And that's really it for now. Of course, if you have any questions, you can certainly reach out to me. Hope this helps. Have a great day.